After logging in, click on the Money Movement tab and click on ACH. Then click on Create a Template. Click on Template Name and type in the name of your template. Click on Request Type and choose the type of payment from the drop-down list. Then select the company name from your list. Then select Payment Account and enter the max payment amount. And click Continue. After reviewing the information, click on Import Details and select a folder in which to save the template and press Continue. Click on the first circle and press Browse. Choose the download file by double-clicking and press Import File. As you can see, the import was successful, and you can press on View Template.